This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. 1 o'clock. It's TFNN live from Clearwater, Florida. Let's see what we have happening in the markets as we are trading higher so far, middle of the session. S&P's up 5 points, 24.43. Dow 30 up about 44 points, trading at 21,888. And NASDAQ up 0.6%, trading up 36 points to 62.53. Jumping over to the VIX. VIX right now settling at about 1481. Reached a high of 1728 last night after the market closed. You had Snapchat coming out with their earnings just after the close last night, disappointing the market greatly, seeing that tank immediately follow the earnings, getting a little bit of a boost off that 1131 overnight low, but lots of rumors, lots of trouble for Snapchat. We'll see if they can jump back to, I believe, their IPO price of about $17. Far cry, and let's back it up from that IPO price for sure. Reaching $29 at one point. Pretty remarkable run, Snapchat. We'll see if they can turn it around. And what else we have? Fundamentally, JCPenney this morning coming out with their earnings. Let's drill it down. Definitely struggling a bit on the retail sector. Going to be closing some stores, missing on revenue. Jumped down to $351 pre-market on that news. Right now, JCPenney trading at $385. Let's jump over to some of those other retailers. Macy's, $20.58, somewhat unchanged after the struggles they had yesterday with their own earnings. Dillard's, $58.81. And, what else we have going on? We got a lot of action. We had CPI data coming out this morning. And jump over CPI. We'll jump over to the currencies. There is that CPI data at 8:30, causing a spike in the euro-US dollar, weakening in the US dollar. CPI showing less inflation than possible than anticipated. That may come in with the Fed interest rates, market digesting all of that. Jumping over to the NASDAQ 100, quite a run up today in comparison to yesterday's cascade down. NASDAQ 100, 58.31 currently with about 3 hours left in the trading day. Crude oil, relatively calm day in light of the week that it's had. Crude oil trading at 48.47. Looking at that September contract and finishing it off with gold. Gold as well. Big action on that CPI data at 8:30. Getting a spike approaching the 1,300 price point. Could not reach it. Back down to 1288 gold right now, 1293. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up right now. We got our man Steve and then Dave White at 2 o'clock and Tom O'Brien at 3 o'clock. All live programming right here at TFNN.com. Have a great day, folks. We'll see you next hour.